We've all seen the claims of high heat safe nonstick. But at Wade Media Labs, we found that high heat searing is the fastest way to kill your favorite pan. To prove it, we ran our egg torture test. We subjected 10 leading nonstick coatings to repeated 500-degree flash searing to see exactly when the nonstick fails. Nonstick coatings are essentially polymers. When you push them past their thermal threshold, the chemical bonds begin to break down in a process called thermal degradation. It's not just the coating. At high heat, cooking oils polymerize and carbonize almost instantly, creating a microscopic layer of gunk that ruins the nonstick surface forever. We also measured structural integrity. High heat searing causes rapid thermal expansion, leading to microscopic cracks in the coating where food particles get trapped and stick. After just 5 high heat cycles, the egg release performance of every pan dropped by over 50%. A non-stick pan is a precision tool, not a high heat workhorse. If you want to sear, use cast iron or stainless steel. Save your non-stick for low heat tasks to ensure it lasts for years, not weeks. See the full microscopic failure photos, the thermal logs, and our non-stick longevity guide at cookwarescout.com.